Yes, so this book of Cassie Joy Garcia discusses a concept that will save you a lot of time, and it's called Cook Once Dinner Fix. And she discusses how you can cook once every single week to eat every single day. So there's only one point in time that you're preparing a lot of meals, and then for the rest of the week you can enjoy these. And I think it's very interesting concept because it will make you more efficient and save you time. It also allows you to do the dishes at once, so it's everything very focused at one point in time, and then the rest of the week you can enjoy your dishes. So she has several recipes, and it goes from things that are quite simple to more complex recipes. And she also uses several types of food from poultry, beef, pork, seafood, and even for the vegetarians, there are recipes. She also has a lot of beautiful pictures that show how the meals can be prepared, and as you can see in the pictures, there are several approaches that she has taken from hamburgers to casseroles, and you can try a lot of things. There's also bacon chicken pasta or Jamaican inspired chicken bowls. So there's quite some variety, and this will make sure that you can cook for several months on end. And so it's actually two things in one in this book. So long, on the one hand, you have the idea of cooking once, and on the other hand, you also have a lot of useful recipes that you can prepare as well. With the link in the description, you can get a great offer on this book. So check it out and have a great day as well.